Safeguard personal data in your photos by learning how to effectively blur a license plate in Lightroom. First, open your image in Lightroom's Develop module. Locate the license plate you want to obscure. Now, select the adjustment brush from the toolbar at the top right. Its icon looks like a small brush. With the adjustment brush selected, go to its settings panel here. You'll want to either choose a blur preset if one is available, or manually set the clarity slider to a negative value, typically around 100, and the dehaze slider to a negative value, also around 100. This combination creates a strong blur. Adjust your brush size using the scroll wheel on your mouse or the bracket keys. Make sure your feathering is high for a soft edge, around 80 or more, and your flow is at 100. Carefully paint over the entire license plate. Take your time to ensure full coverage. If you make a mistake, hold down the Alt or Option key to temporarily switch to the erase brush and clean up the edges. Alternatively, you can use the Radial Filter for a more circular blur. Select the Radial Filter tool, which looks like a circle with a dashed outline. Click and drag to create an oval or circular shape around your license plate. In the Radial Filter settings, ensure Invert is unchecked if you want the blur to apply inside the circle, and again, set clarity and dehaze to strong negative values. Whether you choose the adjustment brush or the Radial Filter, you've now successfully blurred your license plate, protecting sensitive information in your photographs.